Hey, Dr. Ramos, this is Lucas from Purple Room Marketing. I was making some research today and happened to come across your business. So I decided to shoot you this short video on 3 tips that you can use to start beating your competition online. So if you like what you see, please get back to me so we can chat. But anyways, I want to keep this nice and short, okay, because I don't want to waste your time or mine either. So basically, I want to talk about content, citations, and backlinks. Okay. So content means I see that you don't have a website. So content means that once you make a website, all the text and pictures, also how the pictures are saved as and what is behind the pictures, all that would count as content. All right. Google likes to see a lot of uh, keyword rich authoritative content so they can figure what kind of business you're in, what services do you offer, and when you get it with the keyword oriented and key phrases, when people look for certain terms, the search engine can find you and show you on the top results. Okay, so if you see, for example, Podiatrist Miami, when somebody looks for Podiatrist Miami, you usually see this, but these results here is where you would be because of the content that when you put quality content with the keyword rich and keyword phrase oriented and everything is done properly, it would appear up here. All right. Then, next thing I want to talk about citations. Usually, when you look for a term for a service like this, you see this. All right. So, first, you see some ads sometimes. The ads sometimes are good, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Because a lot of people nowadays are using ad blocks. So, when you're using an ad block, you won't even see them. And also, other people that had bad experiences with them in the past, so they don't click on them. So it's like a hit and miss. Sometimes they were really good, but you never know. And then what I want to talk about the citations is this over here, the Google Mac Pack. You're on the top over here when you have more citations than your competition. Citations are basically your business name, address, and phone number, the same way you submitted it with Google on different directories all throughout the web. And by directories, I mean like Facebook, Yellow Pages, Yelp, NG, Stars, like all those websites that you can put your information in them. Okay. The ideal would be if these guys have 100 or 200 citations. You always want to have like 50 to 100 more than them. So that way, when they realize that you pass them and that you have a lot more citations than them and you start building them back, because we check it on a regular basis, we start building our citations back as well. So that way they can never catch up. All right. Citations will help you as well with the content to rank here, but the main factors for this are the content and the backlinks. And backlinks is the next thing that I want to talk about. For example, if you see here Edward Bustamante, the first result, we put it in Ahrefs, which is a tool that we use to see how a business is doing online. Okay, gives some of the statistics, like an approximate. And then we see here referring domains. Has 24 referring domains that give him 61 backlinks. A backlink basically is a link to your website on another website. So when somebody clicks on it, it directs them back to your website. So he has in 24 different places 61 backlinks that link them back to their website. All right. And other thing that is important, not all backlinks are created equal. Some of them are more strong than other ones. Google gives them more power and trust. It's always when they're in the same niche. For example, it would be more important to get a backlink in another doctor or medical site, okay, talking about you and your website, than if you get it in a website that talks about sports or about food, okay? Then all this is giving this guy 165 keywords for which they are ranking, and they have around 310 people every month that go through the website. So this is 310 possible potential patients. All right. So that's how important it is to have a good website with a good backlinks, citations, and content. If you click here, you can see that this guy, for every time somebody look for podiatrist in Miami, food doctor Miami, Miami podiatrist, everything. All these terms that you see over here, which are searched like 700 times a month, 150, 100, 100, 100. Okay? This guy is always the first result. Here is the second, but the same, on the very, very top. That's why this guy is getting the lion's share of the searches. Okay? Everybody that is searching, most of the people is going to this guy. All right? And then depends if they're just shopping around or what, but usually the one that gets in the top is the one that gets the most business. So that's it. That's all I have for you today. Okay. If you like what you hear, please get in touch with me and we can talk about building a website or just optimizing your Google My Business or whatever you need. All right. If not, just take these tips that I just give you for free, implement it yourself, and yeah, all I ask is for a little review or comment in the video. Thank you. Bye bye.